Our strategy is to be a growth business. And for us to get back to growth, we really do need to find ways to improve our margins, improve our cost structure, and for us, becoming a global company that really leverages the scale that we have on a global basis and be able to drive consistent global processes is a real opportunity. And as we do that in finance, it creates for us a real capacity to grow. It drives efficiency, it drives effectiveness, and all of that contributes to really the big picture strategy for the company.
We did some very foundational work on deciding where did we think the decision rights were going to be, what functions had to be centralized, what was better decentralized and closer to the consumer or the customer, what areas were more scalable globally versus regionally versus locally. Mondelēz decided to move to a category model versus a country-based organization. We felt that was the right catalyst to help us change the way we do FP&A, change the way we look at the business and we support it.
The scope of the project was a total global finance transformation, including a lot of processes like internal controls, like financial planning and analysis, like accounting, fixed asset, supply chain controlling. So it included quite some processes from finance, all the regions, multiple languages, and we want to do that all in a very short period of time. Change is absolutely not to be underestimated in this kind of project. It's maybe even the number one parameter of success. And it's a process that you start very early, even before you start the project, with getting the top management support. And it goes then all the way through the project as you inform your stakeholders, whether they're internal or external, or even when the project is finished. You have to also manage the change, for example, for the new ways of working. So how have we done that? We have kind of have a multifunctional team around change. Together with Genpact has also helped us on this journey. And we started to create all the capabilities and all the tools and all the processes that we need during the change agenda. And we did it for the first project, which was North America. And now we're reapplying it for all the further projects in the other geographies.
When you look at how quickly we've moved and how the scale of what we've done is massive, and I would say we're off to a very good start and made good progress in really a global effort that impacts the entire company. Literally 6 months into it, we would say we're very confident about the journey that we're on, moving to global standards and moving to one set of processes with a partner like Genpact. I think it sets us up for a continuous process of change, to leverage the next generation of technology, to leverage the next level of simplification that allows us to be even more productive and more efficient, and then support the business in its strategy of growth.